Practicing deep breathing regularly can help reduce stress, improve focus, and promote overall well-being. If you struggle with stress, let's discover how deep breathing can help you find peace. Start by finding a comfortable sitting position. Make sure you're relaxed. Close your eyes and place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Now, inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Feel your belly rise as you fill your lungs with air. Breathe deeply from your abdomen. Ensure your breaths are deep and reach your diaphragm, rather than shallow chest breathing. Hold your breath for a count of 4. This pause allows the oxygen to be absorbed more effectively. Then slowly exhale through your mouth for a count of 6 to 8. Repeat this process for 5 to 10 minutes, focusing on your breath and letting go of any tension. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breathing. Deep breathing can help calm your mind and reduce stress. Deep, slow breaths signal the parasympathetic nervous system to induce relaxation, lowering heart rate and blood pressure. By increasing oxygen supply to the brain and muscles, deep breathing alleviates physical symptoms of stress such as tension and headaches. Focusing on your breath helps anchor your mind to the present moment, reducing the tendency to worry about the past or future. Practice this daily to cultivate a sense of peace and clarity.